Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.1, Problem 18. This is Section 4.1, Problem 18. It says find the value of the unknown number. And we have 3/4 over 6 equals n over 40. So to solve a problem like this, you're going to multiply across both ways and divide by the value in front of the number that you don't know, the unknown. So going one way, I have 3/4 times 40. And then the other way, n times 6. And we can set those equal to each other. So n times 6, that's a little bit easier. We can just write 6n. 3/4 times 40, though, that might take a little bit of work. We have a fraction. So think of the 40 as 40 over 1. So now I have a fraction with a numerator and denominator for both. And you can multiply top times top, bottom times bottom, and reduce. And that'll work. It'll give you the right answer. But I can't resist just reducing the 4 on the bottom and the 40 on the top. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 40 10 times. And now I have top times top. 3 times 10 is 30. Bottom times bottom, 1 times 1 is 1, 30 over 1, which is just plain old 30. Now, if you had done it without reducing, you'd have 3 times 40 is 120, over 4 times 1 is 4. 120 over 4 would still reduce to 30. You'd get the same answer, but if you can reduce a little bit first, it's usually easier. However you do it, when you multiply 3/4 times 40, the result you'll get is 30. So now I have 6n equals 30. To have n equals and not 6n equals, I want to divide the number times the n. So I will divide 30 divided by 6, which is 5. So the value of my unknown number n is 5.